Is it time to buy or sell Trump Media and Technology Group stock? In this video, we're diving deep into Trump Media and Technology Group. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 4th of April, 2025, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 26th of March, 2025, our system has classified Trump Media and Technology Group as a strong sell candidate, assigning it a score of negative 7.76. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has faced a decline of 18.39%. This equates to an average daily loss of 2.30% since it was designated as a strong sell candidate. The stock finds itself in the midst of a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating that further declines within this trend are likely. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential decline of approximately 52% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging between negative 62% and negative 43%. Taking a longer view, our 12-month analysis projects a change of around negative 23%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could fluctuate from negative 79% to positive 102% over the coming year. In practical terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $3.50 and $34.61. Our latest daily update for Trump Media and Technology Group includes the headline, "A very red day for Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation stock price after a decrease of 7.17% in the Friday trading session." The Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation stock price declined by 7.17% on the last day, which was Friday, the 4th of April, 2025, falling from $18.41 to $17.09. It has now experienced a drop for 3 consecutive days. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 8.70%, ranging from a low of $16.56 to a high of $18. The price has decreased in 7 of the last 10 days, resulting in a decline of 15.6% during this period. The trading volume increased on the last day by 33,000 shares, although this occurred amid falling prices. This may serve as an early warning, indicating a slightly elevated risk over the next few days. In total, 5 million shares were traded, amounting to approximately $84,390,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $56.55, while the lowest was $11.75. Currently, the price sits at 69.78%, or $39.46, below the 52-week high, and 78.47%, or $62.29, below the all-time high on the 26th of March, 2024, when the price reached $79.38. Recent developments surrounding Trump Media and Technology Group, symbol DJT, have significantly impacted its stock performance. The company's shares plummeted as it filed to sell over 142 million shares, including a substantial stake from President Trump himself, valued at $2.3 billion. This massive potential sell-off has raised concerns among investors about dilution and future profitability, leading to a steep drop of around 6% in the stock price. Additionally, the uncertainty stemming from President Trump's recent tariff updates has left investors questioning their potential impact on the company's financials, given that Trump Media has been operating at a loss since becoming publicly traded last year. Such unpredictability may deter new investors and lead to further stock depreciation in the short term. Furthermore, chatter among retail investors on platforms like Truth Social indicates a growing skepticism about DJT, particularly as some express regret over steep losses. The sentiment suggests that unless the company can stabilize its operations and improve its financial outlook, the stock may continue to face pressure. In the longer term, the potential unloading of shares by insiders could weigh heavily on DJT's market value and investor confidence. The current dynamics showcase a mix of market volatility driven by insider trading concerns and external political factors, both of which could result in prolonged uncertainty for the stock. Thus, while short-term challenges are imminent, the long-term trajectory remains contingent on the company's ability to execute a turnaround strategy and restore investor trust. Analysts have assigned a general sell rating to Trump Media and Technology Group stock. They categorize the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the stock also receives a strong sell rating from the analysts. The following signals have been identified for Trump Media and Technology Group. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, also known as MACD. Some negative signals were issued as well, which may influence the near short-term development. The Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation stock holds sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, resulting in a more negative forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general sell signal from the relationship between these two indicators, where the long-term average is above the short-term average. When corrections occur, there will be some resistance from the lines at $19.17 and $22.20. A breakout above either of these levels will trigger buy signals. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Tuesday, March 25, 2025, and so far, it has declined by 25.27%. Further decline is indicated until a new bottom pivot has been established. Volume increased on falling prices yesterday, which may serve as an early warning, suggesting that the stock should be monitored more closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal 9 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 30 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 8 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 54 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages, buy signal 50 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 10 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal 39 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages, buy signal 34 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Trump Media and Technology Group. Currently, there is no support from accumulated volume below today's level. If conditions shift unfavorably, the stock may experience significant declines over the next few days. This stock typically exhibits average movements throughout the day, and with a solid trading volume, the risk is assessed as medium. In the past day, the stock fluctuated $1.44 between its high and low points. Be sure to avoid breaking the stock story fast, as the latest data show may end up being highlighted. Representing an increase of 8.7%. Over the last week, the daily average volatility has been 7.44%. Before we explore the potential trading levels for Trump Media and Technology Group, let us first examine some key fundamental data. To start, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is incurring losses. Even well-established companies can face downturns, often due to circumstances beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest a lack of profitability and pose potential bankruptcy risks. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Trump Media and Technology Group. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Trump Media and Technology Group is at $18.41. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a point to consider for swing trading. There is no significant support from accumulated volume below, which indicates that the stock could potentially decline sharply under certain conditions. Proceed with caution and consider placing trades only if you are an experienced trader, familiar with navigating such situations. The combined average rating for Trump Media and Technology Group from multiple analyst sources is to sell. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On March 11, 2025, Eric Swider conducted an insider sale of 5,000 shares of common stock with a par value of $0.01 per share. On March 12, 2025, Eric Swider conducted an insider sale of 10,000 shares of common stock with a par value of $0.01 per share. On March 10, 2025, Philip Juhan conducted an insider sale of 11,805 shares of common stock with a par value of $0.01 per share. On March 10, 2025, Philip Juhan conducted an insider sale of 8,954 shares of common stock with a par value of $0.01 per share. On March 10, 2025, Philip Juhan conducted an insider sale of 300 shares of common stock with a par value of $0.01 per share. Based on the 55 most recent insider trades, we've determined that the insider power is positive with a ratio of approximately 22.121. In total, insiders purchased 226,179,920 shares and sold 115,754,142 shares in the last 55 trades. We currently hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and no stop loss has been established. Is Trump Media and Technology Group stock a good buy? Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation shows several negative indicators and is currently in a broad declining trend. Therefore, we believe it will likely continue to perform poorly in the coming days or weeks. As a result, we maintain a negative outlook on this stock. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Monday, the 7th of April, we anticipate that Trump Media and Technology Group will open higher by approximately 127/100ths, beginning trading at $17.22. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the buying or selling of securities. Your investment choices should not be based solely on the information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at StockInvest.